If your music won't connect or calls keep dropping, you're not alone. Hyundai Tucson owners face this all the time. Let's get your Bluetooth back on track. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, check if your Tucson's infotainment system is also in Bluetooth mode. If you still can't connect, try deleting your phone from the Tucson's Bluetooth menu. On your infotainment screen, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and find your device. Select it and choose Delete or Forget. Next on your phone, remove the Tucson from your list of Bluetooth devices too. This should clear up any connection issues. Now, restart both your phone and your car. Sometimes, a quick reset is all you need. After restarting, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. On your car's screen, select Add New Device. When you see your Tucson pop up on your phone, tap to pair. Follow any prompts to finish connecting. Still not working? Check that your phone's software and your Tucson's infotainment system are both up to date. Updates can solve a lot of bugs. If all else fails, check your owner's manual or visit your local Hyundai dealer for help. And that's it. With these steps, your Bluetooth should be up and running again. Safe driving.